always have my threader available. And it's like across the room, like in here, like so, right? So it comes out. I love pillows. I don't know if anybody else feels the same, but I always say you never have enough pillows. My husband seems to disagree with me. He does not pass the vibe check, okay? So today I'm gonna make some more pillows. But it's not just any pillow, it's a ghost pillow. Thought it would be really fun to make it in punch needling form. Best part is I'm gonna try and make it a no-sew pillow, but you know, if you know how to sew, be my guest. That sounded so much more different in my head. Okay. So if you know how to sew, be my guest. Sew away. I've never made a pillow before, so I don't know how this is gonna go. Everyone watching right now, leave some sparkles in the comments. Send me some magic making good luck vibes, because I'm gonna need them. First thing is first, you need to decide on a little ghosty friend design, and there's many ways to do this. One of them is what I'm doing. You can choose a program like Procreate to design your little ghosty friend, or a pencil, paper, and marker work just fine. And you could also just freehand it on the month cloth when it's attached to the frame. Honestly, it's whatever you feel most comfortable with. Oh my gosh. So cute. I am not an artist, but I think it came out really, really cute. And if you were not an artist, don't worry, I got you, because I made a template for the ghost pillow that you can download and use for yourself. So here's a little hack. Go to your local craft store, buy a blank canvas, and they come in a lot of different sizes, and when you purchase it, these already come on frames. So all you gotta do is take off the canvas, and then some of them might have this little bar in the center, so you're just gonna wanna like break it off, and then you're left with a frame like this. So if you don't know how to build a frame yourself, this is a cool little hack that's really cheap and easy to find. If you use the frame method, you're gonna need a staple gun. If not, an embroidery hoop or snap frame works just fine. I'm also gonna be using 1 yard of month's cloth to make the pillow. So now I'm going to staple my month's cloth onto the frame. Working on me. Yay, it's all on! Time to trace Mr. Ghosty onto the month's cloth. Okay, I'm gonna find tape. So masking tape it is. So now we're gonna put this little template underneath. So I'm going to use the light from the window to help me trace a little ghosty so I can just see the lines better. I'm going to go over it with marker just to make the lines darker. Let me know what you would name our little ghost friend down in the comment section below, because I feel like we need to name him. Leave some suggestions and I'll pick one out for my next Halloween video. I'll announce it then. It's looking so cute. I can't wait for this to be finished. It's gonna look so cute on our couch. it's punch needling time. Okay, so for this part, you're gonna need a punch needling tool. I will leave recommendations in the description, and you're gonna need 3 different colors of yarn. I'm using white for the body, black for the eyes and mouth, and then purple for the little cheeks. Punch needle basically comes with this little threader. You're gonna put it through your needle. Then you're gonna put your needle through the little opening of the threader, pull it through, and it should come out like that. There's this little hole right here at the end of your needle. You're gonna put your threader through one more time, and then in that little opening, you're just gonna pull your yarn through. To start off your punch needle, push the punch needle straight down into the fabric until it stops. Bring the punch needle back up slowly, stopping as the tip is clear of the surface of the fabric. Now repeat. Punch the needle into the fabric again, lift it to the surface, slide it across the surface. You'll continue doing this until your design is complete. I got our little ghosty all traced, and now all that's left to do is just fill them in. This part is gonna take a while, so I'll check back midway through. Yeah. Oh no, look who's here. It's Bean. Are you gonna try and eat my project again? The little ghost is almost finished. Next, I just fill in his 2 little eyes. And if you were wondering, that's actually his mouth, not his nose. Day 2. I got really tired last night, so I stopped. And now we're gonna finish it up today. We need its little cheeks. So I was going to use this color, but I think it's too dark. I think I'm gonna go with a more pastel color, like this lavender, really pretty lavender color. Do you want to see my lazy way of loading my punch needle? Sometimes I don't always have my threader available, and it's like across the room. I don't always want to go get it, so this is what I do. I can't believe I'm going to show this. Okay, I load it like in here, like so, right? And kind of just suck it. So it comes out. Okay, so now that you've seen my lazy way of loading my punch needle, I'm gonna go ahead and start finishing his little cheeks. Also, please don't judge me. When you're done with the color, you're gonna want to pull your thread up about 4 inches, hold the end of the thread with your finger, and then cut the yarn. Done. Finally. Now we get to put it together and turn the little ghost into a pillow. Little cute little cheeks. So with the pencil, I'm just going to basically create an outline around the ghost. Sorry, I can't do 2 things at once. I'm trying to talk and do this. It's so hard. Okay. Let's just connect this. So the template will be a lot nicer than this, what I just made. I feel like a 1 to 2 inch tab around this would be perfect. So markers so I know where to cut. Oh my gosh. It's almost done. So it's pretty obvious. I was just kind of figuring this part out, but it will be on the template that I provide for you. But if you do not use a template and you're making your own little ghost, make sure that you draw a border around your ghost, because that's where you're going to be either sewing the backing or gluing on the backing to your little pillow. Once the little ghost is cut out, I'm going to use it as a pattern and pin it down on a second piece of fabric to cut out the shape of the ghost. This will be the backing of the pillow. So this is going to be a no-sew pillow. I'm going to be using some carpet adhesive because this is what I have on hand. But I will put alternatives to other options in the description. So what I'm going to do, just like you would do with sewing, basically, I am going to keep the pins on and I'm going to basically add the adhesive on the inside and then continue all around, and as I'm going, I'm going to take off the pins. And then, as I adhere that down, I'm going to put in my punch needle again, just so that it stays down. And then I'm going to continue that same process all the way around. But of course, if you know how to sew, you can do that too. Okay, we are almost done. As you're gluing the border, make sure when you get to the bottom, do not glue it completely down. You will close off your ghost. Instead, make sure that you leave an opening about 4 inches wide. This will allow you to flip the ghost inside out. Then you're going to use that same opening to stuff the ghost with batting. Once you got it all filled up with batting, use that opening to glue the inside of the borders to close it off, then wait for it to dry. I am so happy with the way this little ghost turned out. It is so cute. I've been wanting a ghost pillow forever and I'm so happy I finally made one. And to be honest, I wasn't sure what I was doing there for a second. I was just kind of winging it, to be honest, but I'm so happy that it worked out. And if you decide to make one of these, remember to tag me. Tag me on my Instagram @𝓓𝓲𝓼𝓬𝓵𝓼. I guess that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.